In this tutorial, we'll be diving into one of Python's powerful features known as dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension is a concise and expressive way to create dictionaries. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's start by understanding what dictionary comprehension is. Simply put, it's a method for transforming one dictionary into another dictionary. During this transformation, items within the original dictionary can be conditionally included in the new dictionary and each item can be transformed as needed. Now, let's look at the syntax. The syntax of dictionary comprehension in Python is quite similar to the list comprehension in Python, but with an additional requirement of defining a key. Here, the key underscore expression is the key to use for each item in the dictionary. The value underscore expression is the value to use for each item in the dictionary. Item is the variable used for each element in the iterable. Now, let's use dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary. We'll create a dictionary that contains numbers between 1 and 5 as the keys and their squares as the values. As you can see, the dictionary comprehension takes each number from 1 to 5, assigns it as a key, and assigns its square as the corresponding value. All of this is done in just one line of code, which is the real power of dictionary comprehension. You can also add conditional logic inside dictionary comprehensions. Let's create a dictionary comprehension that generates a dictionary of only even numbers between 1 and 10 and their squares. Notice that we've added an if statement at the end of the dictionary comprehension to filter out odd numbers. The resulting dictionary only contains squares of even numbers. And that's it. You now know what a dictionary comprehension is, its syntax, and how to use it to create dictionaries in Python. Keep practicing and exploring more about dictionary comprehensions, as they are a powerful tool that can make your code more efficient and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting Python tutorials. Happy coding and see you in the next tutorial.